How to auto-generate NFTs. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can auto-generate NFTs. So let's get into it. Now, the first step is to go on ahead and go on to nft-generator.art. So this is the platform that we will be using. It is a free-to-use NFT generator, so you can get started. You can preview your collection for free and log onto your crypto wallet, connect that, and purchase your entire collection. You can create thousands upon thousands of NFTs with this simple generator. So it's simple, easy to use. It has no coding. You have your image metadata as well, and you also have rarity settings, so you can make certain features more rare and go on ahead and choose how you want to format your item. So all you're going to do is go on to nft-generator.art, and once you're over here, you're just going to click on start creation. You don't have to register, you don't have to do anything at all, and then you're going to start with your generation. So what you're going to see on the left side of your screen is the layers. So this is basically the basic data of images that you're going to provide. Then you're going to have, this is going to be your preview section, and then on the right side, you're going to have your project name, description, collection size, and dimension. So these are the basic features of this generator. Now, you can see on your left, you have your layers. Now, over here, you're going to be adding images. So you can see on your backgrounds over here, and what you're just going to do is you're going to upload images into this section. First off, you're going to choose what you want to do. So let's say I want to create like multiple different emoticon faces, like emoji faces. So what I would do is first off, I want to pick a bunch of different backgrounds. For that, I'm going to be using canva.com. So I'm just going to go on to canva.com, click on custom size, convert it from pixels to inches, and then I'm going to add a 12 by 12 canvas, and I'm just going to click on create new design over here. And for the background, I want simple backgrounds in multiple different colors, so I'm just going to make one of this like a deep blue and click on share, click on download, and download this as a PNG. Then I'm going to add another color, so maybe I want like a deep red now. I'm just going to download this image a couple of times in multiple different colors. I'm just going on ahead and downloading multiple different colors. Now I have these three alternate colors, and they're very different in look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my NFT generator, and I'm going to upload my background over here. I'm just going to click and drop my images into this section over here. So you can see I have 3 of my images added. This is my background layer. Next up, what you're going to do is you have your rarity settings. So how common or uncommon should this be? Now this should be super common, so because I want this to be in all of my NFTs. Then I'm going to add my second layer. So this could be person, or this could be face. I'm just going to name this layer the face, so this will be the second layer. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go on ahead. You can go on to Vecteezy and find vectors. So you can search for faces, and you can find vector image art for that as well. And you can also search for images without, without backgrounds over here. So you can see you have these images without backgrounds, and you're just going to click on download, and we can just download this. You just have to view a 5-second ad. These are royalty-free vectors, and you don't have to pay anyone or anything. You just have to download this, watch the ad, and you can use them in your NFTs. It's completely legal. There are no copyright issues generally. For some of these, you might have to take a deeper look, but you usually can see you have a free license over here, and if it has a free license, that means you can use it for your own personal gain as well. So we're just going to download a couple of these images from here, and I'm just going to take a couple of these, and I'm just going to download these. And once I have downloaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my NFT generator, and I'm just dropping my images over here. This is the second layer of my NFTs. Now you can see on the top I have my quick preview. It's showing me the second layer. Now I'm going to put in the third layer, and let's say I want to make like the boy NFT more rare. So what I would do is I would just click on these settings over here. So I'm making this more rare, and in turn obviously the other two will become more common, and you can choose to do that, but let's say I want to make it slightly more rare, so on and so forth. Then I'm going to add the next layer that I want, and it could be decor, or it could be, flowers or anything like that, whatever you want to add in your NFT collection. So for that, let's go ahead and search for hearts. And I'm just going to search in Vecteezy in the PNG section. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to search for hearts over here, or maybe I want to search for, so I'm going to search for stars over here, and I'm just going to download a couple of these star images, and you can just take a look at whatever you find interesting, whatever you want to add into your photos. You can add that instead. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my generator and add my final layer, which is going to be the decor layer. So in this layer, I'm just going to upload things like the decor, so like stars or anything like that. And I can add anything else of my choice as well. So let's say I want to add something along the lines of, you can even use Canva for this. You can go on to Canva, you can upload something from there as well. Maybe I want to add grids or something like that. You can choose whatever you want, but I'm going to continue with Wecteezy and I'm going to search for some more star types. So I'm going to take this red one over here and I'm going to download this, and you can use any other royalty-free site that you want. You can use Shutterstock or any other image site that you want. I just find that Wecteezy has a good selection, so I like to use it for my NFT collection. So I'm just taking these two images over here and I'm just downloading these, and then I'm just going to upload them onto the decor layer of our NFT collection like so. And now you can see our NFT collection has been created. Now you can shuffle this and take a look at the different previews, and you can click on preview all to see how many NFTs you have. Now on the right side of your screen, which is your project name. So we're going to go ahead and name our project. And then you're going to add your project description and make sure that whatever you are titling your images, so I just downloaded directly from Wecteezy and uploaded them, but whenever you are creating your own images, so whenever you're uploading your own images, make sure that you have your image name renamed and rename it something accordingly to what would suit your metadata, because the image name or the file name goes into the metadata. So you need to make sure that you change the image name or rename the images. So over here, we're just going to add the project description. For me, this is just a sample project, so I'm just going to add sample, and then you're going to add your collection size. So your collection size is the multiple of the amount of items you've added. So I can create like 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So if we take our calculator out, that would be around 21 NFTs, I guess. So I'm just going to add 21 over here. It will show you if you miscalculate the maximum amount of NFTs. If I input 29, it's automatically later on going to show me an error. But over here, you're going to add the dimensions. So what is the ideal size for your NFTs? Obviously, if the images that you added have a low quality, then don't create very large NFTs. But if they are high quality image and you don't expect them to pixelate, then you can add larger dimension sizes as well. And then you're just going to add your layer name, your rarity settings, and then you have your file name, and then you can go on ahead and click on the next and generate your collection. So you can click on generate collection over here. Now you can see it shows that you need to add more layers or images to get the 29 images. I can only generate 27. So I'm going to click on generate collection, and now you can see our collection is being generated, and I can just input my email address over here to get started with the download of my collection. So that is how simple and easy it is to create your own NFT collection with a free generator. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you were able to auto generate your NFTs as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.